Have you ever wondered how money transfer from India to abroad actually works? It's not like banks are sending money in luggage trunks in ships or airplanes. It's actually much cooler. It's all done electronically in just a few clicks. This is called wire transfer or telegraphic transfer. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the behind the scenes of the workings of wire transfer and what really happens when someone sends money from India to abroad. So, without much ado, let's get into it. History of wire transfer. The first wire transfer happened in 1872. It was done by Western Union, and this was done by telegraphic messages. The sender gave money to the telegraphic operator in their town. The operator then sent a telegraphic message to the other town instructing them to release the funds. Fast forward to today, the technology has evolved, but the core idea remains the same. Banks still now, to this day, use messages to transfer money, but now it's digital and it's lightning fast. How wire transfer works. A wire transfer message is sent to the SWIFT network. Your chosen bank or money transfer company sends a message into the SWIFT network. This message contains the details of the sender's bank account and the beneficiary's bank account. It also contains the details of the amount to be transferred. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It was developed in 1973 as a standardized way for banks to coordinate financial transactions and exchange data electronically. A software is provided to the banks, and through this software, they enter the details of the SWIFT message. If the sender's bank and the beneficiary's bank have a direct relationship under SWIFT, then it's a straightforward process and the transaction is processed speedily. Otherwise, an intermediary bank is used. Wire transfer message routed via intermediary bank. When the sender's bank and the beneficiary's bank don't have a direct relationship under SWIFT, an intermediary bank is used. It has connections to both of them, and the wire transfer transaction is routed through this intermediary. For providing this service, the intermediary bank charges a fee. This is called the intermediary bank fee. We have written an article about this, and you can check out its link in the video description. The beneficiary bank receives the wire transfer message. When the beneficiary bank gets the SWIFT message, it verifies the beneficiary's account details and the amount sent by the sender. It then releases the fund to the beneficiary's account. In all these steps, there is never a physical movement of money from one location to another. It is all happening electronically. What is happening is banks passing messages to move the money virtually. This is happening over the SWIFT network and an electronic ledger which is recording this virtual movement of money. Overall, a wire transfer may take between a few hours to 2 working days, depending on the relationship between the sender's bank and the beneficiary's bank. So that's it. That's how wire transfers work. Quick, secure, and efficient. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.